And I trace my side seam. Where is my sharp pencil? I trace my side seam. It's my hip here. I trace my side seam here. And folded hem, and then my wand, and I trace my pattern with seam allowance, then up to this point, and mark where is my center back line. It's here and here. Up to here, clear? I trace up to here. Now I mark guideline here, 1/4 of an inch. It's here between this and this. It will be 1/4 of an inch. And here my original line. I make dotted line. Then you can see this will be original line. Don't do it, please. Now I put push pin here and shift my pattern. Put push pin between waist seam and hip seam, and I shift, and then I have to trace. Finally, I mark this corner and I trace this line. We don't make dart on a lining. It will be just folded small pleat. And I make double notch here. It will be my and you can see we increase length. Then I have to come back to original like this and trace my center back line. It will be my center back line. Center back line. Okay, then remove this, and then we have to put notches on the correct place. It will be here. Then I put up to new waistline or yoke line here, and I mark notches. Right now, if you compare with notches and our yoke, you can see we have 1/4 difference. Then this seam will be on a lining longer than our here. Then even if I measure from last, it will be 9.5, and here will be 9 3/4 of an inch. Then we have 1/4 here. It's clear, guys? Then it's here will be our pleat, folded from center to here. Just make more straight line because I trace soft paper. Okay, and then it will be here, straight line here. It will be my center back here. And I have to mark my seam allowance. It will be my... Definitely when you finish, you have to check length of the side seam against front, because it should be equal. Okay, then I have to add 1/8 through all lengths of the seam. I add to front. Right now I have to add here as well. Then it will be 1/8 of an inch here. Okay, this will be old. I just cross out this line, and this will be original line. 1/8 added here. Then I have to mark all seam allowance inside. It will be here. It will be here. It will be 1 inch here. And here will be 2 notches. And I mark here seam allowance as well. And it will be here seam allowance for our yoke seam. And on a yoke, on a lining, on a self, its notch here will be in horizontal direction, because we have to attach yoke and match to center back. Okay, it's here. Then it's my grain line will be here on a lining, and I have to add seam allowance to new line. A new line, seam allowance inside. Okay. It's here, will be center, back. We don't know yet which piece we use for left, which we use for right. We cut 2 identical pieces. Then I just hold paper together. You can use a stapler, or you can hold by pin like this. It should be cut absolutely the same 2 pieces. You can a little bit extend side seam, just like 1/16. Then it's easier to hold it. And center back finally. Okay. use notch and put notches on both pieces. Then center back, horizontal notch here, zipper notch here. Then it will be center notch here. Seam allowance all around. It will be seam allowance here and here. Hip notch. Side seam notch here. Double notch for yoke here, and pleat it will be here. Okay, it's clear up to here. Then mark everything on the opposite side, and I mark where is my center. Pleat, it will be folded in this way, and it will be here. Then it's a center line here, a seam allowance here, and 1 inch it will be hem. And here it will be seam allowance for center back. It should be 2 identical pieces. Almost done. Okay, and green line here, it will be the same placement. Okay, now it's 2 identical pieces. Two pieces. Then take our sample and turn lining up. Now you can see this piece we use as is. It will be our right back lining. In green I mark it will be right back lining. And how many pieces we have to cut? One. And here will be center back. This is done. Now this piece we have to remove this portion which covered by folded vent. Then now we have to fold our vent on the center back here. On a sewing line, not on this line, on a sewing line. I fold it and trace sewing line around vent. It will be this way, and then this way, and this way. What I trace?
Sewing line.
Sewing line, right, you're not sleeping. Then I make this line here. And what it is? Sewing
Sewing
line.
line.
Yes? Then I mark for you. Sewing line. Then we have to remove this piece. But if we cut like this, we can attach. What we have to add? Seam allowance. What you think? Which way we have to add seam allowance? Inside piece or outside?
Outside.
Okay, brow, you're not split.
You know.
Okay, 1/2 inch outside, and continue this seam. Then we cut away this piece. And it will be left, back, lining. Left, back, lining, and one piece. I just taped this piece and you can understand what we cut. Now everything is done. How you can check yourself? We have to put left and right, match our center back seam here and here, and if everything will be done correctly, then you can see shade like 1 inch shade. This way 1/2 inch and under this way 1/2 inch. It's clear? Then you have to measure sweep to center. It will be like 9 3/8, and here it should be 9 3/8. Two pieces, exactly what we need. It's clear, guys? Okay, then work on a pattern, and then I check your pattern, you cut sample and sew sample, okay? And it's right now a lot of information. Next time it will be couple of minutes, and I explain how we can attach lining to vent, because like construction of the skirt will be when we have to stitch side seam